Okay, this is that second farm cylinder. Let's take a look. Like I was telling you before, the mechanic thought that either the piston came off in one. I don't think the piston came off, or the seal is shot. Remove that set screw. Let's see if this will break easy. The other one came off real hard. This is a different style. Okay, this is a little different configuration. The other one had a threaded cap on it. This one's a different type of head on there. Oh yeah, that was gonna be tight too. See, well, that doesn't want to. Let's see if I can get it. It's damn it. Sucker's on there. I'll put a little heat on here because I don't want to put a big pipe wrench on there and try to ding that all up. It's pretty tight, so let's just give it a little heat. Little touch here. Show you how I do that. Okay, remember, oil and oxygen don't mix, so don't set your torch down in an oil pool. Be very careful about that. And we're just going to use a rosebud here and give a little bit of heat. See if I can crack that with that wrench there. Kind of have to have a feel for it. Don't overheat it. It does melt the seals a little bit, but we'll try that. Now we could use a little air hammer on this. You know, you don't want to chew this all up. The head. Let's see if it'll pop that. It's enough to pop it now. Okay, that did it. See that? It's tight, but that little bit of heat right there. That's tight in there, so it was just enough that I could get it. We'll clean these threads up. This one's probably never been taken apart before. What we want to do is take a look at the piston and see if the mechanics diagnosed it. One of these. Okay, that thing's getting tight now. See that? I like that. Now it's getting real tight. Damn it. See that? Let me throw just a touch more heat on that. You know, the reason I'm showing you this gives you an idea what you're up against if you're trying to do this at home in your shop or your farm shop or whatever. What I do is we get this out, take and we'll wire wheel these threads off. You don't want to overdo it because I've seen guys put too much heat on there and then it warps it real bad. You don't want to get it red hot. I don't know if it was Loctite or it's been so long and the water got on those threads. It started coming off fairly good, and then as soon as it cooled down, it locked up. Make sure you have your safety glasses on when you're doing this stuff. Always. Hey, don't do that either. See if it'll come off. Okay, do it fast now before it cools down. it's getting tight again. Down. Oh, I don't like that. Let's see here. Looks like they probably had Loctite on it. It locked up again on me. Let's see. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's see if we can clean this up. Okay, let's do the same thing we did before. Turn this around. I'm just going to show you this. Let's check it. That piston's in there tight too. Let's get the bigger one. We call this little mallet Ronda. Knock the hell out of it. Okay, you can see there. Well, the piston seal is okay. I did tweak this seal a little bit, so that wasn't the problem. Let's just check the barrel. Look down the barrel with your inspection light. Make sure there's no scarring. Looks good. This will just be a reseal. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Stand by for the next one.